All right, so when you think of a Jamaican Christmas, you think of sorrel, and when you think of sorrel, you think of pouring up a nice traditional gingery drink. But there's more to sorrel than just drinking it, and Mariana Farag of Nana's Kitchen is here to show us some alternative ways of using sorrel this Christmas. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
Nana's Kitchen, tell me quickly about that.
So Nana's Kitchen is a vegan, plant-based blog. I've been blogging for a few years, and I'm inspired by a lot of simple recipes and how to create them into something new and exciting. So it's online, and then I'm social on Instagram, and there's close to 100 recipes for anyone who wants to use less meat or animal products in their diet.
You're not Jamaican,
No.
but you live here.
Yes, I live here, yeah. And I love all the fresh produce in Jamaica. It's a big source of inspiration.
You use sorrel where you are from for Christmas?
Interestingly, not for Christmas, but in Egypt, there's been years of drinking sorrel there. It's a plant that grows on this side of the world, but also in West and North Africa and in Asia, and it's consumed as a hot or cold beverage in all these regions.
Oh. So it's not just a Christmas thing?
No.
It's not a Christmas thing at all?
Well, here it is.
I know, but not in Egypt.
No.
Okay.
It's since the pharaohs they've been drinking it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What have you brought? And it's interesting. Don't tell me about this just yet because I found that interesting. But what have you brought? Let's start on this side here and tell me what you brought.
Okay, so all of these recipes include sorrel that I buy from the wonderful vendors at Coronation Market. And then any specialty ingredients here can be found at Fresh Approach, which is a great supermarket for ingredients for chefs who like to experiment with new things in their kitchen. So first we have, this is the sweet section. So we have pumpkin sorrel muffins.
Pumpkin
sorrel
muffins.
With no dairy, no eggs, nothing from an animal. And I reduce the sugar so it's not overly sweet. And then homemade coconut sorrel granola bars with a thin layer of homemade sorrel jam. So these are all good
Yeah, I'm not certain why we're not seeing it, but this is right here, right? Okay.
Oh, yes. So the coconut sorrel granola bar.
Coconut sorrel granola bar.
And there's a thin layer of homemade sorrel jam. And then the pumpkin sorrel muffins.
Homemade sorrel jam.
Yes.
Which means you made it.
Yeah.
All right. And what is all this now?
So this is...
Sheffield think it was pork.
No, there's absolutely no pork.
No, Sheffield don't right. Sheffield not right.
So this is sorrel grazed roasted root vegetables that I like to top off with some toasted pecans.
So what's in it? What?
So it's just a selection of root vegetables. It can be carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes. Any root vegetables work with this. And then it's cooked in a sorrel glaze. And just some salt, herbs, and then you just bake it in the oven. And it makes for a great side dish, especially for the holiday season.
And that's what's that we're looking at
so
there?
it would be this, exactly.
That's your recipe? And this is your recipe. You didn't steal this from somewhere.
No, I like to think that I try to be original.
So this
with my
is
recipes.
yours.
Yeah.
And this is just the regular sorrel drink?
No,
it isn't the regular sorrel drink. Why am I not surprised that you said no?
This is a sorrel, because everything here is
Yeah.
not just sorrel, but this is a sorrel strawberry chia seed drink. So chia seeds, we all know chia seeds are very rich in healthy fats and in protein. And so you can drink it. So what I do here is I don't cook the actual sepals. I just put them in the blender and blend them raw because that's how you benefit from all its health benefits.
What is it called?
Sorrel. The sepal or the fruit.
A sepal.
Yeah, the sepals are the petals or the fruit.
Okay, it's the first I hear that word.
And 1 cup of these, just fresh sorrel, covers 20% of your iron needs, 14% of your calcium needs, and is full of antioxidants.
So it's a wonder food.
Yeah, it's wonderful. It's very good for strengthening your immunity.
But this now has nothing to do with eating or drinking.
No.
What is this?
Okay, so sorrel, or in the hibiscus family, around the world it's studied as a Botox plant. So it's excellent for skin health because it has many, the antioxidants and mucilage that help keep young and soft skin.
So this is just sorrel?
So this is ground sorrel.
Yeah, this one
This is ground oats, which is rich in protein and very hydrating.
Yeah, and this one?
And this is a mixture of coconut oil and aloe vera. So all you would do is literally you would just mix them. It's very simple. I do this sometimes. So you would just mix some of the ingredients in a bowl. just like this. So these are like everyday ingredients that I feel most people would have, and it makes this paste, this really pretty pink paste that you can put on your face for 15 minutes and then just wash it off.
And it does what?
And it's hydrating. It feeds the skin with a lot of vitamins and antioxidants and essential nutrients. So it'll help keep your skin really smooth. And this is something you can make.
So you cover your whole face with it? Not in your eyes and stuff. But
Yeah, like a face mask, but just inspired by sorrel, which is really excellent for skin
I would
health.
do it, but I don't have 15 minutes. Well, I have 15 minutes, but I can't keep it on for 15 minutes. Oh, so you just paste it all over and then you wash it back off.
Yeah.
You do it what? Every day, every week, every
Whenever,
month?
as you like, once a week is good for starters. And it doesn't stain. The sorrel doesn't stain or anything.
What is this again?
It's just ground oats.
Yeah. And that was the coconut oil and...
Coconut oil, aloe vera, and then ground sorrel.
Fantastic. And this, obviously, this can be done outside of the Christmas season.
Yeah,
also.
of course, you can enjoy, you can make these whenever you want, but now that it's the festive season and sorrel is really being put forward, it's a great time to experiment with this ingredient.
In Egypt, what do they do at Christmas that's special?
Well, Egypt is a Muslim country with a Christian minority, so people celebrate Christmas, but not as much as here. But they've been drinking sorrel, which is called kerkede in Egypt.
It's called?
Kerkede.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew
So
that.
they've been drinking it, they say, since the pharaohs used to drink it.
Okay.
And they drink it to cool the body temperature and for its health benefits.
Okay. Fantastic. This can be...
Everything here you can try. Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah. And it's a bit tart.
What do you mean
Because it's the raw sorrel.
No.
And not very sweet, because I don't like
No.
overdoing it with the sugar.
No. Careful, you know.
This is healthy food, so there's not a lot of
must taste it
sugar
or I
and
must
things like
taste
that. No, taste it. It's great for this time.
No, will you stop so I can taste it? You're sure?
It's tart, but it's very healthy for you.
It's actually nice.
Okay,
nice.
good.
No, it is nice. Oh, no, I say it don't. A little tart, but
Because
nice.
that's what sorrel tastes
It's
like.
nice.
If you actually
I was
just
just
eat
teasing.
this.
It's nice. All right, Mariana Farag of Nana's Kitchen, and Where's the Food Joe is our sister. So we're gonna have to have break for soon. Come. Simone, when we break.